As you may have noticed, last weekend we went on a pretty long road trip in Sweden. On this trip we went up to our sponsor BJP Race. It's a guy called Peter Björk. He's pretty famous for his old Supra that he built and made some YouTube videos about. He now owns a company called BJP Race. They specialize in fuel products and ECUs and everything that regards the car's what's called ECU system. So he supplies me with injectors, and also during the off season we can send up the injectors for some servicing. So he keeps them clean and ready for the season. In his garage we will show you around his twin turbo Lamborghini and also his legendary Volvo 245 with a 2J setting. So it's pretty sick cars, and I'm going to show you around the facility a bit. So check it out. I'd like to thank Peter Björk for showing us around at BJP Race. Now we're going to head up a bit more north to Dalarna, where we're going to meet up with Robin Carlsson, aka Square Design. He's going to pick up some parts that we brought for him, some body kits from Mercedes. And after that we're going to visit some friends' garage and check out their builds. First we're going to go to Jocke Andersson and his Mercedes W124 estate, running a M104. And after that we're going to visit Eric Carlson and his S14 with the GM Performance engine. And luckily we also got to see his father's Mustang that he races in classic racing class in Sweden. Pretty sick car, and well, tag along and see the awesome cars, and talk to you next week. Also, as you might have noticed, we have a Mercedes 190 on the trailer. I forgot to tell you about that. That's Robin Carlssons' car. We're bringing it up to Pipedreams up in Ludvika, and he's gonna help us produce a new exhaust manifold for the M104 engine. And this will soon be released and shown on our website, so keep an eye out for updates and we'll show you what he did.
Hej, mitt namn är Jocke Andersson och det här är min bil. En S124 som kommer att köras med M104 turbo, precis som Mårten. Vi kommer väl att ställa ut på Elmia, och det är väl därför vi egentligen håller på och målar och preppar som vi gör. Hoppas vi syns där. Vi kommer väl att köra i RM-klassen på Swedish Drift Championship 2018. Och ni kan följa mig och mitt team på Instagram och på Facebook under J. Andersson Motorsport. Annars är det väl Jocke Andersson på Instagram. Det var skitdåligt.
Carlson heter jag. Det här är min Nissan S14. Har en LS3 76 från GM Performance-sidan. I år så kommer vi köra RM-serien i Swedish Drifting Series. Vårt mål är att klara till Elmia och stå där, och det ser ut som att vi kommer hålla det. Vi siktar på det. Vi håller på med lite uppdateringar för tillfället. Men ni kan följa oss på Eric Carlson Drifting på Facebook på hur det går med bygget och allting. Tack!